I think, upwards of 33 other criminal cases that are pending before the court involving Mr. Alex Peoples. We're here today for an arraignment on multiple criminal cases. We also have 4 files where Mr. Peoples is bench warranted. So we're here today, and then there are additionally, I think, upwards of 33 other criminal cases that are pending before the court involving Mr. Alex Peoples. So we're here for arraignments on the files the court has identified. May I please have your appearances for the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Melissa Vachon on behalf of Mr. Peoples. He's present via Polycom from the East Lansing Police Department.
Thank you. Mr. Peoples, can you please confirm that you can hear and see the court and Ms. Vachon?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Peoples, I'm going to begin with 2 cases where you have not been arraigned yet. And first, there is case number 251049OM. Mr. Peoples, in this matter, you are charged with first the crime of trespassing, which is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days and $500. And in count 2, the crime of retail fraud in the 3rd degree, which is punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of $500. Mr. Peoples, do you understand those charges and the maximum possible penalties? And then in the People versus Alex People 251154 SM, you are charged with the crime of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. That again is punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll be entering a not guilty plea on these files.
So we're setting this for a pretrial conference. Mr. Peoples, I need to address the files where you're bench warranted, and those files you've already been arraigned, and then you were released, ordered to appear again to the court on December 18th and failed to do so. So warrants were issued for your arrest. And Ms. Vachon, anything on the failure to appear?
No, Your Honor.
So those cases, we're able to cancel the warrants here today, and those cases will also be set for a pretrial.
Yes, Your Honor. I know that Mr. Peoples has multiple cases pending. I just asked the court take note that they are all nonviolent, low-level misdemeanor offenses. Thank you.
Okay. And Mr. Peoples, I appreciate Ms. Vachon and her advocacy. It is, certainly a minimization to say you have a few cases. You have more cases than I'm sure any person pending before this court. And the magnitude and number of these cases, the court recognizes that they are primarily nonviolent offenses, I think. And but the magnitude of cases has risen to the level of a issue of for public order, public safety, and is expending just an inordinate amount of resources by the city of East Lansing and their police department. So, Mr. Peoples, the court cannot give you a personal bond. You've also demonstrated again and again and again that you do not appear for your court dates. So for both public safety and appearances fears, Mr. Peoples, your bond is set at $5,000 cash or surety and all the 2 new files. And the court had previously set cash bonds in all the other files. Those cash bonds will be reinstated. And I'm going to be noting that those cash bonds will not convert to PR bonds, as is typical of jail policies for cases of these nature, but these will not be converting to PR bonds, and the cash surety bond will remain in place. Mr. Peoples, all of your bond conditions in the previous files remain in place. You are ordered not to appear at many, many businesses in the city of East Lansing. Those orders are all in force in effect. You also must appear as directed. You may not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You must not commit any crime while you are on bond.